In the dynamic world of project management, staying organized and knowing exactly where things stand can feel like navigating a maze. Deadlines loom, tasks multiply, and communication can sometimes feel like a game of telephone. This is where effective project tracking comes into play. It's the compass that guides your project to successful completion. And one tool that stands out in simplifying this crucial process is Nifty. Think of project tracking as your project's health monitor. It involves systematically monitoring the progress of tasks, milestones, and overall project goals against the initial plan. Without it, you risk missed deadlines, budget overruns, and a general sense of chaos. Effective project tracking provides clarity, allows for proactive problem solving, and ensures everyone on the team is on the same page. So, how exactly does Nifty step in to make project tracking less of a headache and more of a streamlined process? Let's explore the key features that make Nifty a powerful ally in keeping your projects on track. 1. Task management, the building blocks of tracking. At the heart of any project lies a series of tasks. Nifty's robust task management system provides a clear and organized way to define, assign, and monitor these individual units of work. You can break down large goals into smaller, manageable tasks, set due dates, assign responsible team members, and even add dependencies to ensure tasks are completed in the right order. Imagine you're building a website. Instead of just having a vague goal, you can create specific tasks like design homepage mockups, develop contact form, and integrate payment gateway. Within each task, you can add detailed descriptions, attach relevant files, and even have discussions specific to that task. This level of granularity makes it easy to see exactly what needs to be done and who is responsible. Nifty allows you to visualize these tasks in various formats, such as a list view, a Kanban board, where tasks move through stages like to do, in progress, and completed, or even a calendar view. This flexibility caters to different working styles and provides a comprehensive overview of the project's progress at a glance. 2. Milestones, marking key achievements. While tasks represent the individual steps, milestones are the significant checkpoints in your project timeline. They mark the completion of a major phase or the achievement of a critical deliverable. Nifty allows you to define these milestones with specific dates, providing clear targets for the team to work towards. Think of milestones as the signposts on a journey. They help you gauge whether you're on schedule and provide a sense of accomplishment as you reach each one. For our website example, milestones could be homepage design approved, beta version launched, and final website deployment. By tracking these milestones in Nifty, you can easily see if the project is progressing according to the overall timeline. 3. Progress tracking, visualizing the journey. Nifty offers several visual tools to track the overall progress of your project. Progress bars provide a quick snapshot of how much of the project has been completed based on task completion. Burn-down charts can illustrate the rate at which tasks are being completed against the planned schedule, helping you identify potential delays early on. These visual aids make it easy to communicate project status to stakeholders and team members without getting bogged down in lengthy reports. A quick glance at the progress bar or burn-down chart can tell you if the project is on track, ahead of schedule, or falling behind, allowing for timely intervention if needed. 4. Time tracking, managing your most valuable resource. Understanding how time is being spent on different tasks is crucial for accurate project tracking and future planning. Nifty's integrated time tracking feature allows team members to log the time they spend working on specific tasks. This data provides valuable insights into the effort required for different aspects of the project and helps identify potential bottlenecks or areas where time might be being spent inefficiently.